biggest thing for me is to prove Frank wrong here. I mean, obviously I'm concerned with my health. I mean, these are
Isabella eating her sunflower seeds.
Just tell me which is best.
Okay.
Let me see her teeth.
The second.
That way is good.
Can you
Eat the sunflower seeds, Mama.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Does anybody get that?
They do.
Really?
Let's work on it. Close your eyes for a second.
Okay.
Open back up. Can you see it now?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. You want the good news or the bad news, Mike?
Is there some bad
He loves her sunflower seeds.
Bad news, but we're gonna have to talk about the B word in there today.
What's the word about this?
Bifocals?
Bifocals?
Yes.
Are you serious? Bifocals?
Yes.
Oh my god, I remember my grandpa had bifocals. Are you sure I need glasses?
Yes, you do.
So if you're saying Frank's right, I need glasses. I'm getting older, I'm falling apart. I'm trying to get over the shock. Do you guys have anybody that does any consultation as far as like therapy right now? I mean, I don't know 100%.
Good job.
What do you got on?
You see her teeth.
I know it's killing him inside, you have to admit. I was right. Aren't you glad that you listened to me?
I'm super bigger now. I can see. You just threw gas on the fire, son.
You want more? Here.
A couple extra eyes sometimes in life. 4 eyes.
Now, I'm gonna have the joy of dealing with contacts when I'm on a pitch.
How many fingers I got up?
4 and a thumb. We're in California for the first time. This is like another planet, man.
The inside of it looks like a wave.
Yeah, it does actually.
There's a bike right now.
I'm in the temple of surfboards, and I look up and I see the plastic fantastic.
If you have monkeys
Danielle gave us a hot lead into
or own monkeys in the past,
this is like movie star.
you know they make a big mess.
This is incredible. Alpine was a genuine hippie.
You know you have to restrain them or else they'll get into everything.
Oh my god. I see a Vincent motor, and it's like a piece of jewelry, man.
Right up to get about 16 for it.
Almost like a dog. How you have to have a dog on a leash. You restrain them because you don't want them to do certain things. Just like a monkey. If we let her go in the house here, which they used to be free completely. Walk around, running around, climbing around, until they got older. And then they get into everything and go up on the cabinets and pull things down and make a big mess and destroy everything in your house. So don't ask why we have them on a leash, okay? Because we know. You don't know unless you own a monkey. And look at yourselves in the mirror and say, okay, why do I have my dog on a leash? Same reason. Prevent them from doing things. But we know that they're living their best lives, and you don't know. So if you want to watch our channel and you want to watch our videos, we appreciate if you keep your negative opinions to yourself. We know how our babies are living. They're living good. You don't have to worry about a predator. You don't have to worry about the cold every night in the jungle, being eaten by predators or mistreated by their parent, primate parent. What are you doing, Mama?
You may or may not remember.
No. No. Leave your diaper. Leave your booty. So yeah. Alright, y'all. You done with your seeds, Mama? You done with your seeds? You found one?
Yeah.
We appreciate it, and we're gonna make you proud.
Okay, bye.
I cannot believe where you're going to this house.
All right, y'all. Have a wonderful day, wonderful weekend. Take care. God bless as always. Like and subscribe. We appreciate it. Thank you so much. Take care. Say bye, Mama. Say bye, Mama. Okay. Have a good one. Bye.